that big old thing does? That big old box of attitude?
That's a big old box of attitude you get.
Is that what it's called?
Who's that?
I don't know.
Lambert.
Not the box?
He's trying to figure out if he wants to come over here or not.
I know, not the police. I don't think these are legal here.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Because all the ones I saw at that one at Walmart, they were all crappy. They weren't like real fireworks like these. Woo! It's alright, Richard and Jason get arrested.
Yeah, that's why I didn't
We'll
do
run
it.
inside.
What?
We don't know those people.
They're just out in their yard.
They came over and asked if we wanted Mardi Gras in the sky.
That was like his wife checking the mail.
That
What?
was us.
That was like a cannon or something.
That was not us.
That was artillery.
That was not us!
That attitude!
Richard's already leaving.
Richard is over here now.
I'm getting a head start.
He's getting a head start.
Richard, are you getting a head start?
There's Jason running after him. Awesome.
Oh,
We should have bought a bunch of these. Oh, it's
that was
all.
it?
Oh,
Bad attitude. He gives you a bad attitude because you paid all that money. That's all you got.
Jason wants to go check it out, but he's scared.
Get the light on, Jason. Jason!
What happened?
What happened, man?
That's what gives you a bad attitude. You paid all that money for that box.
That wasn't even slightly frustrated attitude. This is great. Jerry the mule too.
Hey, it's still on
So
fire.
instead of them getting killed, we're gonna blow up the whole mule. Let's take it all with us. Kick it!
Done. Leave it alone. We don't need that blowing up in your face.
I'm glad Jason's here. I wouldn't be doing that.
We don't want you to die!
Get away from
Did
it.
somebody just drive down the road to watch the fireworks?
Did you hear us?
Abort.
Just get out the way!
Just get out the way. Michael, you're a
Leave
safe
it
boy.
alone.
Don't get hit in the head with fireworks!
This guy's like, the show's over, I'm leaving.
And your head is gonna blow up! And you're gonna die!
More like catch on fire or get impaled.
Who are these freaks?
Holy shit. Oh. Awesome. That's attitude.
Yeah.
Yeah! Where to go, bad attitude? What?
I guess that's all.
They can't decide they should go or.